Good morning, students. Let's start with our GK work. So I will be teaching you GK this year. So let's start with the very first page. The first page is Indian first. We have to name the first Indian for the particular things or the particular things which is asked. So first question is, who was the first Indian woman speaker of the state assembly? She was Shanno Devi. Who was the first Indian civil service officer? He was Satyendranath Tagore. Satyendranath Tagore. Who was first Indian woman advocate? She was Cornelia Sorabji. Who was first cosmonaut to travel into space? Mr. Rakesh Sharma. This name you may be knowing from your earlier classes because Rakesh Sharma is first cosmonaut. You have read it in several books. Who was first Indian to climb Mount Everest without oxygen? He climbed Mount Everest without oxygen. He was Phu Dorji. Phu Dorji. Who was first cricketer to win the Bharat Ratna award? Everyone knows he was Sachin Tendulkar. Who was first Indian Test captain? He was C.K. Naidu. C.K. Naidu. Who was first man to swim across the English Channel? He was Mihir Sen. Who was first woman to swim across the English Channel? She was Aarti Saha. Who was first Magsaysay award winner? He was Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Nobel Prize winner was achieved by Mr. Rabindranath Tagore. Who was first Indian woman chief minister of a state? She was Sucheta Kriplani. Who was first commander-in-chief of independent India? He was K.M. Karippa. Who was first Miss Universe of India? She was Sushmita Sen. And who won the first Dada Saheb Phalke award? He was Devika Rani. So now you can note your answers. I have spelled each one for you. So I hope you might have written, but you have to check your spellings as well because no hints are there. So you may write the proper and correct spelling. Okay, got it? Now let's continue with our chapter with our page number 2. In page number 2, we have to fill a crossword puzzle and then with the name of Bharat Ratna and other awards. The person who won Bharat Ratna and other awards. So first we have to fill across. Across, you know how to fill across. So first across is third number. That is who won Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998. Who won Nobel Prize for Economics in 1988? He was Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen. Fifth is a respected physician and freedom fighter, served as the chief minister for West Bengal for 14 years. He was B.C. Roy. B.C. Roy. Architect of Indian Constitution was Ambedkar. Architect of Indian Constitution was Ambedkar. That is 9th. And 10th is a famous sitarist, set the music for Saare Jahan Se Acha. He was Ravi Shankar. Now let's come to the down. In the down, first, with first name as Nelson, he is the person who fought against apartheid. It was Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela. Second is a former president of India whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day. You might be knowing the name of the person is Radhakrishnan. Youngest Prime Minister of India, also as a pilot, Rajiv Gandhi. Awarded Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 is C.V. Raman. Seventh is first to receive commercial pilot license and legendary businessman is J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata. Last is known as Gandhi of the South, awarded Bharat Ratna in 1976. He is K. Kamaraj. K. Kamaraj. I have written answers for you. You can check it, and I have filled it in the crossword puzzle as well. Here, from here you can match it up. I suppose I have cleared with the answers. If you are having any sort of doubt, so do send me. I'll send a screenshot for you. ठीक है? Okay, thank you.